Reality check, man, from your device. You know, it's a unique one, aromatic, realistic TV. Anyway, today, my viewers and subscribers. Yo, me I tell you, man, me see a thing, man, it blow my mind, man. Yo, we in a problem, you know. Jamaica in a some serious problem. The legacy where the Jamaica Labour Party left we under, you know. I know nothing good, you know. Me say, I know nothing good. The people them out there, they give bolo work, road work, and the video people. Make people that come on camera, they big them up. You can imagine that? Thanks for the opportunity why you give me to chop some roadside and clean up some bush. And have the people them that take photo and they send you out there. Mighty God. I saw the Jamaica Labour right then desperate and gone low, man. Is a disgrace to the human race, man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, without any further ado, me go and play the clip and make you hear it. Take it away.
Boy, MP Rhoda, me say, you want to see Blue Mountain Road, me say the work a go on. Me say you see all on the other side, and stop a big way up. Say do no work, can work good. I mean, I tell you, me glad for the opportunity, because me, as a single mother, it do me good. Rhoda will say straight. Boy, MP Rhoda.
Can you imagine that?
You want to see Blue Mountain Road?
Rhoda, me say straight.
Me say you see all on the other side.
Anyway, Jamaica, me play back little bit.
Do no work, and work good. I mean, I tell you,
if I laugh or fart.
Rhoda will say straight.
Let me play back Jamaica.
Boy, MP Rhoda, me say, you want to see Blue Mountain Road? Me say the work a go on. Me say you see all on the other side, and stop a big way up. Say do no work, can work good. I mean, I tell you, me glad for the opportunity, because me, as a single mother, it do me good. Rhoda will say straight.
Then that's a JLP gone low. Little bolo work. Make the woman have to come show up her sanity. That's where her pride. Just for come get Rhoda photo hops. Look at dirty bolo road work. Eh? Boy, MP Rhoda. Me say, you want to see Blue Mountain Road. Me say the work a gone. Me say you see all the other side. No stop big way up. So you no go and do no work because you no work good. Me I tell you no. Me glad for the opportunity because me as a single mother, it do me well. Rhoda straight. Almighty God. Jamaica in a crisis, you know, man. The Jamaica Labour Party put me in a crisis, you know. When a woman have to come on camera, they do some crash program, they clean up roadside. Eh? I have to come make video for the MP. Your boss, the woman where you hire, to work on your behalf, to make sure your community stay good and bring the necessary things in your community. For you run all right. And that the same woman there give you little dirty work. And you have to come on camera. Come do video for her. Almighty God. If anybody when tell me say, Jamaica when go to this, mother tell them say a lie then they tell. But by me witness this with me two eyes. What a national disgrace. What an embarrassment to Jamaica. Eh? The Jamaica Labour nasty party of the Jamaican people them. My God. My God. My God. Jamaica in a crisis, you know. The country in a serious problem, you know. The country have a rescue, you know. You see, any of the country no rescue from this Jamaica Labour Party. Me no know what going to happen to Jamaica, you know. Because if this is the Jamaica Labour Party legacy, after them promise prosperity, growth and success, and then give a little bolo work, little crash program up to clean up roadside, and you have to go up on video, go make a video for the MP so that the MP can put it on his Instagram, on his Facebook, on his YouTube, or whatsoever. Jesus Christ. Jamaica gone. Jamaica gone. Jamaica gone. Jamaica need rescue. ASAP, rapido. Right now. Quick, 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 quick. Can you believe this? Can you believe this? The MP give little bolo work, road work. And the woman have to come out, come do a video. For Rhoda CRAWFORD can post it on YouTube, or in Facebook, or in TikTok. For people say some bush work they go on. And this with people them settle for. And this lady so proud of herself. Jesus Christ, Jamaica gone, man. We gone, we gone, we gone. No pride, no dignity, no nothing about yourself. Let me play back one more time, Jamaica.
Boy, MP Rhoda, me say, you want to see Blue Mountain Road, me say the work a go on. Me say you see all on the other side, and stop a big way up. Say do no work, can work good. And me I tell you, me glad for the opportunity, because me, as a single mother, it do me good. Rhoda we say straight.
Attitude to you now.
Boy, MP
Attitude.
Road, me say, you want to see Blue Mountain Road, me say the work a go on. Me say you see all on the other side, and stop a big way up. Say do no work, can work good. And me I tell you, me glad for the opportunity, because me, as a single mother, it do me good. Rhoda we say straight.
The lady full of attitude. And she full of confidence. And swag with it. Full of attitude and swag with it. Her office work. And she working at the hotel. She working at the bank. Postal agent, a nurse, you see her, she confident. Boy, MP Rhoda, me say, you want to see Blue Mountain Road. Me say the work a go on. Me say you see all the other them on the other side. No top big way up. Say do no work. Because you no work good. Me I tell you, me glad for the opportunity. Because me as a single mother, it do me good. Rhoda we say straight. Me tell you, me glad for the opportunity. Because me as a single mother, it do me good. Rhoda we say straight. After Andrew Wholeness promise prosperity, you know, after 9 years, a lady up on the roadside, they do some crash program, they chop and they pick up grass. And she said she thank Rhoda CRAWFORD for the opportunity as a single mother for the clean up some grass. Boy, the Jamaica Labour Party is a national disgrace, you know, man. Boy, you no take disgrace to another level. After you promise the people prosperity, growth and development, the lady go thank Rhoda CRAWFORD for this opportunity as a single mother. Chop roadside and clean it up. Rhoda straight. She have to do a video. She have to do a commercial for Rhoda CRAWFORD. Forget that little crash program right there. Almighty God. Jamaica need rescue, you know. Jamaica is at the worst in the history of Jamaica, you know. Hey, it's sad. It's sad. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, stay tuned to Aromatic Realistic TV. Like and share and follow the movement over YouTube. We tell them a God and good road. The signature word, it never change, it remain. Heart of love. Until then, Aromatic will chat again. Peace and love. I'm out.